Who never know say this forwarding soon? Yeah man, a long time we know say yo things never too good with Pretty Dan and him wife, you see. And you don't know say Pretty Dan ever come out and I'll make it thing look like yeah. She and her wife good and them look something there. But you don't know the female come out man. You don't know more them are people them who are ever exposed people, you know, so Pretty Dan Empress come out and she speak her mind and I make everybody know say yo certain way how Pretty Dan stay and things. So you don't know if you want to know how Pretty Dan stay and in a relationship and thing. You just have to just stay tuned and remember to like, comment and share and just go and subscribe to the TV. You can follow up on Instagram and on Facebook and you can check out the next YouTube channel, One Bones TV. Yeah man, but you don't know Pretty Dan, you don't know say in a relationship things not too right and also that's why she fall out a yard and I go and cool out and sit there see. But yeah man, mama there beat out everything man. She talk out everything for Pretty Dan, you see. But you don't know say it's a man Pretty Dan want, you see me? And the Empress want a man for she say, yeah, couple times she go cheat too. Yeah, so you don't know say for she a cheat with a man and them sitting there. The woman thing not work out. It what them need to man.
Give a person all the love that you have and to express, but if they don't know how to receive love, they're going to break you down. You just have to know that.
Exactly what she did try to do and is still trying to do because she feels as though because I'm not with her, I shouldn't live a certain life. I shouldn't be happy. I shouldn't have peace. I shouldn't get no money. I just shouldn't. When I don't ask, Bernice don't do nothing for me. After we done and after we left, she don't do nothing for me. But I just fed her the other day, and I get this today. So at the end of the day,
wow,
I just learned my motherfucking lesson. That's all. I just learned my lesson, and I just want to be left the fuck alone. Because like I said, I don't trouble this girl. I do not bother this girl. I do not go out my way to even. I don't even post things like to make it seem like to get a reaction. I don't do stuff like that because I'm not trying to make her jealous. I'm not trying to make her feel no kind of way about me. Because I don't discuss Bernice. I don't talk about her with friends. I don't talk about her with my family. I don't talk about her with Asia. Asia has not heard me mention Pretty name up until today. I don't talk about Bernice. And it's not, I don't talk about her because I don't love her.
Once this shit is up, people, shit is outside already.
It's not. Say it again.
No, and she know when she open her mouth, everybody's listening and recording, so that shit ain't cool. Just slow your out.
That's why I feel like the need that I had to say something because, like I said, this is not her first time, her second time, her third time doing this shit. Come out and say nothing because they have somebody. Literally, because I see the whole thread. But one thing with Bernice, she's not a good cheater because she don't delete shit at her phone or her iPad. So anybody who she was with, laid down with, have somebody so they cannot come out and say nothing.
Wow. That's smart though.
And it's not like those women, they have men. So
but she shouldn't be married to no woman and cheating with no nigga. She's not even supposed to be cheating with no bitch that's in niggas. That's how STDs and shit get passed around.
Well, luckily nothing happened to me. She not shit. I don't think she, so maybe.
I fuck y'all. Come in my lesbian I feel like crutches. And I come I date with man.
Exactly.
And most of the time the man them outside of fucking on the place too.
So I don't play with them games.
No sir.
But at the end of the day, that's why she could say it so loud and proud that where them dead. Who is the person? Because I don't see nobody coming out claiming me. Of course nobody's going to because they don't want to be embarrassed by
when you're ready.
Do they want to get put out by their nigga?
When they get divorced.
They nigga to come and fuck you up.
When they get divorced, we are going to pop the balloon here. And I look. Nah, look. Now you're a good girl for real though. Even though me see you're a good girl. She just gotta fix herself.
Nah, but I said, I ain't come here to make it seem like
I know she's not a bad person. Even when I like the germs,
she just got fucked up ways.
Because she don't know if to take accountability. But I will never say she's a fucked up person. But she has some fucked up ways that she definitely needs to fucking deal with and stop inflicting that shit on people. Because she's gonna lose a lot of people in life. It's always gonna be her. If it's not you, it's always gonna be somebody else. And somebody else.
Yeah, I refuse. I ain't taking this shit no more. Like this girl just texted me last week telling me to not do what she just did. She's a big narcissist.
That's manipulation.
Big manipulation. That's why, like, you know, throughout this whole entire time, like these months, I made sure I had witnesses to the things that she texts me and say to me, because she does this right here. She flip the script, she go on live, or she writes stuff, and she go to other people, even off the internet, and make shit up. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm not gonna say that so much shit, because she done said a lot of shit, and half of the shit I don't remember. Like, so I can't pinpoint to say what was true and what was not true, but certain stuff that I heard was definitely not true. Like, you can't put claims on something that you ain't got. Yes, we married, but you don't. From the day that you left the house and from the days that you was moving the fuck out, you can't claim me. You can't sit there and put no claims on me when you left me. You left me and the child in the house. So
and this is about to be it's about a fucking year.
It's about to be a whole year. So exactly, all of ups and downs, offs and ons. I don't want to do that shit no more. And like I said, the last time when she made it clear to me that she moved on, which was 2 months ago, I simply agreed.
That's why she tell you that.
I guess that's what it was. She at
just
the time,
in case somebody come back and tell you. If somebody they come back and come out and tell you, so she skin out her wall, you can't get mad because she tell you, so she not, hey, that pretty than you think, you blood clot slick, you know. You need to lick.
Listen, I don't know. I just try to keep my distance from the girl and, you know, certain things and certain people, because I just don't want to be put in a situation
where... Who name someone like she did someone? Who name someone?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know who that is. If I want to... No, I don't want to try nobody.
Yeah, that's enough, you know.
That's crazy. No, I don't want no man. Listen, I don't hate niggas. I just don't. I have my
preference. She's gonna try to stalk you like how she stalked Simone. I don't know who Simone is.
Well,
she probably have a band.
I'm not gonna say too much right now, but all I know is I know she's tracking my. She already told me it's so much. This girl, that's why I don't understand why she does what she does when she knows she texts me things. She has texted me many things that she watching me. She got people watching me. How she was gonna pop up to my shop the other day. All this stuff. She done. This girl done told me, man. Bro,
but if y'all not together, why she doing all that?
I don't know, man. I don't know. I guess, like I said, when she told me that it was that she had moved on, I left her alone. You understand why she doing what she doing now, because we the other day, like I said,
you know what? I think in her head,
she was all right. I don't know. I guess
from here you talking to somebody
and give her what she wanted. I don't know.
No, from here talking to somebody.
No, Momo, she knew that. This. But it doesn't matter, Momo. Me and her still spoke or text after that.
Yeah, but she probably feel like she really losing.
I picked up the phone and I called Bernice was the other day when I had to cuss her the fuck out because she kept texting my phone was fucking. Other than that, Bernice don't call me. We don't talk on the phone. We only had a text dialogue with each other for the past the last 2-3 weeks. We have not been talking outside of that. I have not heard Bernice's voice like phone wise.
Yeah, but I'm saying right now, probably really is hitting her now. She's probably really hitting her, especially if she called you and she tried to make you come over and you didn't. She probably realized that she doesn't have control over you anymore. So,
but it's not. Yeah, she probably realized the control. But I never told her no. I didn't tell her no. I didn't tell her that.
Yeah, but she didn't
it wasn't gonna happen.